Hello, in this video I will show you how to install the easy EDA software and use it for drawing the circuits and simulating their operations. Drawing on your own will be needed when project reports or laboratory manuals or question papers or class notes are prepared. Generally, we will draw the block diagram using MS Word or any vector drawing software. It is very difficult to draw electronic circuit diagrams by using those software. In addition, if you want to design a circuit and simulate its operation to show the learners how it is working, or if you want to conduct an online practical examination, or if you want to give a demo of your project, and if you want to fabricate the PCB for the project to make it as a product, you will need a circuit design, simulation, and PCB artwork preparation software. In this video, I am going to explain how to install and use one such software called the Easy EDA, which is a free simulation software and it is easy to learn. It has 1 million free libraries created by the users, and you can also create your own library and share it with others. To use the software, first, you have to install the client on your PC. Search the term ECEDA in Google. From the search results, click on the link Download Center ECEDA given under https://eceda.com/. The download page will open. If you are using 64-bit Windows OS, click on 64-bit download. Now, ECEDA client is being downloaded. You can draw your circuits with this client itself, but if you want to design a PCB or simulate your circuit, you have to register, and the steps to be followed for that will be explained in this video. If you are using another operating system, click on the corresponding download button. This software is free. Now the download is completed. Click on the downloaded file. The setup window will open and the software is being installed. At the end of the installation, the run mode setting window opens. You can either choose the first option to store your projects on the cloud, or you can choose the second option if you want to store your project files on your computer. I have chosen the second option. Click on the apply button. The data storage directory window opens. You can change the directory and folder or choose the path for storing your project and press the apply button to complete the installation. You will have an icon on the desktop for ECEDA. Click on that to open the software. By default, it will open in standard mode STD. In this mode, you will have many components such as 3 terminal regulators, LEDs, transistors, capacitors, power supplies, etc. The symbols provided in this mode are passive, that is, they can only be used to draw the circuit called schematic. Only the schematic drawn in this mode can be converted to PCB. This schematic cannot be used for simulation. If you right click on any component, a drop down menu will appear and you will have more choices for that component. These ready-made components will be visible only if the EE-lib tab has got selected in the leftmost column of the window. The mode selected can be identified by seeing the tab near the Change to toggle button provided at the top of the window below the Start button. The mode can also be changed by using the Change to toggle button. See here, the mode is standard mode now. Click on the STD button at the top left. You will see the mode get changed to sim, that is simulation mode. Here, the caption of the tab near the change to toggle button also changes. In this mode, in addition to the components provided in the standard mode, some more components and measuring instruments such as multimeter, signal generator, oscilloscope, wattmeter, and logic analyzer are also provided. These components are symbols or SPICE symbols which are associated with SPICE models and hence they are simulatable. These symbols will have their component numbers. There are four menus at the top. Click on the Project tab at the leftmost column. You will not have any previously opened project here. Click on the File menu. Select the item New. A pop-up menu appears. Select the project from the submenu. A window named Create New Project opens. Type a title to your project and click on the Save button. The project canvas opens. So you will see many menus at the top of the window related to the project. All the items provided in the Place menu will also be available on the Writing Tools and Drawing Tools windows. These windows are floating windows and can be moved to any place. But these windows will appear only if they have been selected in the View menu. In this menu, you can make the grids visible or you can hide them. You can zoom in or zoom out the canvas, that is working area, but this can also be done using the scroll button of the mouse. You can hide or make visible the components window on the left side, attribute window on the right side, and the floating preview window. You can use the theme option of View menu to change the foreground and background colors of the canvas. You can also apply a custom theme to this canvas. To customize the theme of the canvas area, select the View menu, select the theme, and then select the theme setting. A window will open. You can fix the background color, component color, arrow color, grid color, wire color, etc. Finally, click on the Apply button. You can change the grid size using the Attributes window. On the right side of the window, since we have selected only the canvas, this attribute window shows only the attributes of the canvas, that is grid color, style, size, etc.